Sauté, and today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy recipe using kale. Kale is a green leafy vegetable and it's great for building blood. So if you happen to be anemic or you know someone who is anemic, this is something that is highly recommended. You can also use spinach. Spinach is also great for building blood. Today we're going to be making sautéed kale with a hint of garlic. So let's go over the ingredients. We have a large bunch of kale. Now we're going to chop this kale roughly. We have half of one small white onion. We have 3 cloves of garlic. Now we need the cloves of garlic to be minced really finely. So you can either chop it or you can use a fine grater, and we're going to grate our garlic. 1 tablespoon of garlic butter. And 1/4 of a small green sweet pepper chopped. Over a small saucepan, we're going to add our butter. Now we don't want a lot of butter. Kale works best either lightly cooked or fresh, not cooked at all. I'll show you in an upcoming video how we can make kale salad. So delicious and highly nutritious. Once it has no heat applied, you get all of the nutritional properties possible. So now we have covered the bottom of our pan with our butter. Now we're going to add the onion, sweet pepper, and the garlic. Allow them to saute just for a couple of minutes to get them nice and soft. Then we're going to add our kale. Oh, this is smelling so good. The onion, sweet pepper, amazing, and the garlic. Now we're going to add the star of our dish, the kale. Remember, we don't want it to cook so much that it becomes totally wilted. We're just going to allow it to soften. Allow the flavors from the onion and the garlic and the sweet pepper to permeate the entire kale. And then we're done. Add 1 dash of black pepper. I forgot to tell you black pepper in the beginning. We're going to add just a dash of black pepper. And then this amazing side dish is finished. Our sautéed kale is done. See how beautiful and green it looks? The color just brightens. Now it's time to plate and to taste. A perfect side dish for either your lunch or your dinner. Get some of that garlicky kale. It smells so good. Delicious. Should you happen to have a glut of kale, or you happen to know someone who is anemic and you need to help them with their diet, I highly recommend using this dish. Sautéed kale. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this kale recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you watch them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.